This is a geared motor designed by us independently. This is a precision balance. The motor's weight is 188.5 grams. It's not only light, but also very small. It has a diameter of 46 millimeters and a height of 32 millimeters. When you turn it on your pumps, it has a very smooth feeling. Now I'm going to put it on the test bench to show you its performance data. What you are seeing now is the output speed, which reaches 147 rotations per minute, so that we can calculate the input motor speed, which reaches 47 rotations per minute. Next, let's measure the maximum torque. The maximum torque reaches 11 Newton meters. Now let's take a look at the accuracy test. The repeatability is 0.01 millimeters. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in our drone modules, please follow us and leave a message in the comment area.